Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Trail, British Columbia. This city is located in the West Kootenay region along the banks of the Columbia River and surrounded by steep mountain slopes. Trail is known for its rich history in mining and smelting and for being one of the key industrial centers in southern British Columbia. Trail began to grow in the late 1800s during the mining boom. It was named after a trail that led to the Dewdney Trail, an early route used by miners and settlers. A smelter was built here to process ore from the nearby Rosslyn mines. That smelter, now operated by Teck Resources, is still one of the largest lead and zinc smelters in the world. With its deep industrial roots, river views, and mountain backdrop, Trail is a unique and important part of British Columbia's history and economy. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Trail, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.